friends, I am sitting here in front of a complete mess of craft supplies this afternoon. I am getting ready to organize it all, and I'm going to take you along on the ride. In our last house, I had a whole craft room with plenty of space for craft supplies, but that is not the case in our new house, so I'm having to get a little creative with how I store things, and I found this storage cabinet on Facebook Marketplace a while back, and I recently shared the painted makeover, so it looks super pretty inside and out, except for the fact that I just shoved all of my craft supplies back in here when I was done painting. So today it's time to really take a look at all of the craft supplies that I have, purge a lot of things, and hopefully get most of it put back in here neat and organized. Craft supplies. I know I have more supplies around the house, so I'm going to go run around and try to gather the majority up, and then we're going to start sorting and purging a bunch of things. So here we go. So no matter what you're organizing, pull everything out, give it a good wipe down, clean it all out so you have a fresh, clean space to work with. Then you can see all the items in front of you and start organizing and purging. So that brings us to step 2, purging. This part of the process is where you just kind of sort everything into categories and get rid of things that you no longer need. Just finished going through all of my supplies. There are little piles all over the floor. Everything is organized into categories now. It still looks like a mess, but we've made a lot of progress. Through every single pile one by one and decide kind of what sort of organizing containers I need to put them in so they'll best fit in the storage space that I have. Everything is neat and organized. All that junk on the floor is all categorized into pretty containers and ready to put back in the craft cabinet. I played around a little bit to find the right size things to put in each container. And then I came up with the vinyl and a couple other things that I'm going to put upstairs. Just they're things I don't access as often and are a little bit larger. So they're going to go upstairs. Everything else is going to be stored down in my cabinet. So it's time to start labeling, and then we will fill the cabinet back up and we'll be done. Okay guys, so that is a wrap on my craft cabinet makeover. I have to tell you that I fit so much more in this little cabinet than I thought I would, which is a huge plus. I have finally taken the time to really sort through everything that I have. I've got it all in one place. Everything is sorted and categorized and labeled in pretty containers, so I can see exactly what I have to work with. I purged a lot of things, threw a lot of old things away, donated a lot of things, and I'm really left with supplies that I know I will use for future projects. So my goal now is going to be to just try to keep it contained to this amount of space. I have a little bit of room to grow in most of these containers, but overall I'm going to try to only buy the amount of supplies that I need when I'm working on a new project. I'm going to try to use what I already have, but if I have to buy new, I'm going to try to buy as little as I can so I don't have leftovers. But I'm also going to challenge myself to the rule of when you bring one thing in, you have to take one thing out. So if I get more craft paint, I'm going to have to either use it up in one project, or I'm going to have to try to get rid of a couple of containers to make room for the new. So that is what my goal is going to be, to try to keep it contained to this little cabinet on this little wall.